继续关心美国前总统川普伫台湾时间16个半暝啊，佮险防开枪暗杀，即届伊是无受伤。美国的总统拜登、副总统贺锦丽遂发出声明谴责暴力行为，也让58岁嫌犯莱恩·鲁斯已经被抓到。
案发现场附近的街路，4月当看到警车甲警官加强戒备，包括总督探军甲消化的马丁军，警方动员大批人力追捕走离现场嫌犯。
1:30 this afternoon, call came out, shots fired. That was called in by the Secret Service. Because we're in constant contact with them all the time, we got a hold of Martin County Sheriff's Office, alerted them, and they spotted the vehicle and pulled it over and detained the guy.
警方除了伫95号州际公路抓到嫌犯，也伫案发现场附近一个铁丝网外口发现亲像嫌犯使用的装备。
In the bushes where this guy was is a AK-47 style rifle with a scope, 2 backpacks which were hung on the fence that had ceramic tile in them, and a GoPro which he was going to take pictures of.
事后调查发现，58岁的嫌犯莱恩·鲁斯登记住址是几千公里外的夏威夷。为伊过去伫社群网络发表的内容，会当清楚看出鲁斯的政治立场。除了面册封面相片用的是乌克兰的国旗，鲁斯也公开展示家己为华府到基辅4月走总，用尽方法为乌克兰招募外籍佣兵。鲁斯除了伫美国招募志愿者去乌克兰作战。也向捌伫阿富汗甲美军合作，后来走离塔利班统治的阿富汗退伍军人。福斯新闻网的报道指出，鲁斯捌伫破文中讲，伊愿意飞去乌克兰作战，就算是阵亡异乡也会当。另外，《纽约时报》除了佮提起2023年访问鲁斯，讲到为乌克兰走总之外，也讲到伊伫2029年的社群破文指出，伊打算邀请北韩领导人金正恩到夏威夷度假。甲金正恩参详安怎解决美国甲北韩的基建参争议。公司新闻七家人编译。